we realized, in fact, we felt there was a very, very strong need or a requirement to have a platform whereby we are able to help as many and more patients take benefit of this system of medicine. So that's where the best minds of homeopathy, as I would say, which means the best homeopathic teachers and practitioners that we have, they came together along with the support of patrons of homeopathy, and that's where we established this place which is called The Other Song, whereby it stands on two strong pillars, which is, one is the clinic side, wherein we want to provide the best of homeopathic care and treatment to our patients, and the other is the teaching side, because we feel that good homeopathy can only come if there are good doctors and good physicians. And in order to have good physicians, there has to be a place which trains the students. So the second side is the academy, which is the teaching side. So I'll just briefly take you through this journey of the time of conception of this place to where we are today. So in the clinic side, which we have on the 10th floor, which we will take you through in the break, we have a team of about 12 senior consultants with about 14 very well experienced resident doctors. And of course, this whole place is supported by the state-of-art technology, which helps us achieve a lot of things that we want to. So at the Other Song Clinic, we have devised a system where each patient is managed by a team of a consultant with resident doctors. So every time a new patient walks in, a consultant will see the whole case, will take the whole case, will suggest a remedy, and from then on, the resident doctors that works in tandem with the consultant will take over the case and will follow up with you day in and day out for your regular follow-ups for acute problems. And whenever or as and when required, the patient is brought back to the main consultant for a routine follow-up. But each time, at all given times, this entire team of consultant and the resident doctors are completely in the know-how of the patient's progress. Another thing, as my colleague Dr. Paresh said, that homeopathy works on the principles of holism and individualization. So we are also very open to incorporate other systems of medicine which works along similar lines. So we have introduced diet therapies, we've introduced counseling therapies and yoga at the Other Song Clinic. And while a lot of us have also experienced the benefits of meditation, some of you all have been Dr. Shankaran's old patients. We used to do these sessions very often at his clinic, so which we also do here. Once a month, we have a session with him for patients, which is open to all patients, because we feel that meditation is one of the ways of life which, when incorporated with homeopathy, expedites the whole treatment process. Another thing which we feel is that, especially as patients of homeopathy, it is very important that the patient and the physician becomes an equal party to the whole treatment process. And in order to do that, we feel it is very important to educate our patients about how homeopathy works, what is expected from you as patients that will help us to enhance your treatment process, and what other information is required from our end to let you know. So in order to do that, we also conduct several workshops for children disorders, for female disorders. We also do some workshops on general homeopathy awareness. We do workshops even in other languages, like recently we did a homeopathic workshop in Gujarati. So the other interesting thing that we've started is we realized that one of the commonest modern age problems is, of course, stressful relationships. But one of the most stressful relationships is a parent-child relation, which is somehow, because of change in the lifestyle, in the parents and in the children, it's become quite a lot different than what it was years back. So we have started regular workshops on how parenting can be made more effective, which means in these workshops, a series of meditative techniques are done on parents, whereby they are able to recognize the unhealthy patterns or the stressful patterns in their relationships with their children. So when that happens, it leads to a lot of resolution of their relations with their child, which leads to a very good bonding between them, and also ultimately it leads to good health. So this is one example, one patient who has shared her experience.
Actually, my father-in-law, he told me to go and attend this workshop, and I have attended, and I really felt so good. Like, I was like in another world. I felt that Hindi में can say कि तुमने अभी तक समझा ही नहीं हो कि तुम कौन हो. So open that door, like shown me that door. कि this is, you have to go inside yourself and feel who you are. And once I will change myself, I will feel that I am this. What is me and why I have come here. So then I can work on my child.
So basically these workshops are conducted by one of our senior consultants, Dr. Jayesha, who's a homeopath himself, but he's also, you can say, a healer who's been trained into this meditative techniques. Right. Along the similar lines of educating our patients, we have other activities which, one is a newsletter, which is a quarterly publication that we produce, and each time it addresses a specific disease. So each issue has information about the disease, several cases like how on homeopathic cures, experiences from patients, and we are very open to suggestions from you all or even inputs from you all. If any one of you would like to contribute in terms of articles or experiences for this newsletter, you all can get in touch with us. Very soon, from the 1st of October, we are starting with a new chain of clinics, which is the evening clinic. We realize that a lot of patients are not able to manage with our current timings. So the timings would be very suitable, especially for the working class of people. And these clinics would be managed by our residents that work in our regular clinics. Recently, we've also launched a new concept, which is called a specialty clinic. We realized that if we are able to provide homeopathic care along with assistance from other systems of medicine like allopathy, diet, exercise under the same roof, it would mean a lot for the patient, as in it would save a lot of trouble for the patient to go out, and the different physicians working together on a case will be very helpful to the patient. So we've introduced 3 sets of specialty clinics from 15th of August. One is Rheumat OPD, where we have Dr. Mamtora, as a lot of you would be knowing, along with a homeopathic consultant, Dr. Nimesh Mehta, and a resident. And they also take support of diet and exercise, which is also provided here itself. Then we have a diabetic unit where we have Dr. Deepak Dalal, who's also a popular diabetologist, along with a homeopath. And then we have a weight management clinic. So on one hand we have this, but also we know there is a large section of people who are still not able to afford our regular clinics. So we have, especially for the non-affording section of people, we have a charitable clinic which runs every Saturdays by the same team of consultants and residents. Now along with that, we know that in this section of people, as in awareness is very poor. And especially there is a huge lack of homeopathic awareness. So we conduct homeopathic health camps in these localities to firstly spread awareness, and secondly to let them know that they can come here and take benefits, especially of the charitable clinic. So now moving on is the academy side, which is this part of the clinic. As my colleague Dr. Paresh said, that homeopathy works on correcting that central disturbance in each person that is basically the reason for your problems. So we see that it's actually the practice of homeopathy is more of an art, and we see that after 5.5 years of graduation from a college, it's not really enough for a homeopathic student to be able to confidently practice the way it should be. So in the past, as we used to do, we used to sit with our senior consultants in their clinics and watch them day in and day out. As you must have also seen, there are students who sit with your homeopaths. So when a student watches a senior homeopath in practice, how a case is done, how a follow-up is managed, how acutes are managed, only then the student gets enough confidence and even the capability to go out and venture and start his own practice. So here we have replicated a similar model where our students are not directly exposed to patients, but they sit here and cases are shown to them. Each time a case which is taken upstairs is shown to them, and then the doctors come down and explains the entire process to the entire group of people. So we, we also saw that homeopathy is like any other science, advances. So even this system has made a lot of advances through the recent years. And one of the advancement which is made by our teacher, Dr. Shankaran, which is called the sensation method, in which the entire experience of each patient is categorized into 3 kingdoms. So here at the academy, the main stream of teaching is this method, while we are also open to inviting teachers from other systems of medicines. So we conduct lectures for students, for interns, for practitioners, for advanced practitioners. And most importantly, we do these courses for interns of homeopathic colleges at no cost. The academy sponsors their education, and at a time we have about 3 to 4 batches of 40 to 50 students that come to us in a year. Along with that, of course, we provide other facilities to our students here, like we suggest to them accommodations, certificates are given, we offer them student concession. So this, as I said, that we'll be starting, this is the first time it's happening in India over here. From November, we'll be starting these university recognized courses. Apart from that, in order to provide more and more effective training, we realized that students also need a lot of bedside training, which means they need to see the patients, they need to also see how allopaths see patients, how they consult. So we have collaborated with some of the allopathy hospitals. One is Ramakrishna Mission, wherein we are allowed to send our students there in regular batches. They attend clinics, they attend the IPDs. We also have started a peripheral clinic, which is in Sion. There is a Lions hospital, and one of our senior resident visits there 3 times a week, and he sees patients there also. And recently, we also have collaborated with Babs Hospital, which many of you would be knowing that it's a hospital. It's a chain of hospitals, which is very well known for integrating different systems of medicines like allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy. So one of our senior consultant, Dr. Sujit Chatterjee, is specially invited by this hospital to see very advanced cases, pathological cases, cancer cases. So he would be traveling there every month. Also, this entire place is more like a hub for teaching and for training. So we are very open to inviting people from other schools or thoughts of homeopathy. So as I said, one is sensation method. There are also different schools that people follow. So we invite them, we see their cases, they watch our cases. So a lot of sharing and learning also happens at this place. So it's now the academic, it's not just restricted to teaching the students in India, but we do a lot of training programs to train international homeopaths, because for them, they don't get the kind of exposure that we get over here in India. The most important reason is that homeopathy is very, very popular in India, and it is recognized as well. So there are no restrictions, as in for us, in terms of seeing any particular kind of ailments. So we have a lot of students that come from various countries. They come here, they get educated, and then they go back. So at the same time, we also do activities in different places, especially for students who can't travel here. So like, we have courses happening in Germany, we have in Korea. Another thing which we would like to share is that we told you about the sensation method. So there is a group which is formed, which is called WISH, wherein WISH stands for World Institute for Sensation Homeopathy. So these are members. Now the main idea to form this group is to, one is effectively spread the science globally and to produce a certain standardization of how the system is taught and practiced. So this is one event we had for this group over here.